GAPS Diet Explained, your 60-second guide to gut health. Gut health. The GAPS diet stands for Gut and Psychology Syndrome. It focuses on healing the gut to improve overall health and brain function. Key components: nutrient-dense foods. Emphasizes homemade broths, fermented foods, and organic meats and vegetables to restore gut flora. Elimination phase. Initially removes processed foods, sugar, and grains to reduce inflammation. Gradual reintroduction. Over time, foods are slowly reintroduced to identify any intolerances. Many followers report significant improvements in digestion and mental clarity. Understanding the GAPS diet, developed by Dr. Natasha Campbell McBride, the GAPS diet is often recommended for people with conditions like autism, ADHD, and anxiety. Benefits of the GAPS diet: improved gut health. The diet aims to rebuild the gut lining and support healthy digestion. Enhanced mental function. Many people experience clearer thinking and improved moods. Potential allergy reduction. By monitoring responses to food reintroduction, it's possible to identify and manage food sensitivities. If you're looking to enhance your gut health, the GAPS diet could be worth exploring. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips. Visit our website for free courses on gut health.